In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneDrive files with others. If you need to send a file to a coworker, classmate, or client without downloading it and attaching it to an email, OneDrive makes that process quick and simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to share a file directly from your OneDrive account so other people can access it easily. To begin, open OneDrive and go to the My Files section. This is where you'll see the files and folders stored in your account. Take a moment to locate the file you want to share before moving on. It's always helpful to double check that you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have several versions of the same document saved. Once you've found the file, move your mouse over it. When you hover over the file, you'll see the share icon appear. Click that share icon to open the sharing window. This is where OneDrive gives you the options to choose who will receive access and what they'll be allowed to do with the file. In the sharing box, enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you type the correct address so the file goes to the right person. If you're sharing with more than one person, you can add multiple email addresses if needed. This method is useful because it sends access directly to the people you want, instead of creating confusion with a broad public link. After adding the email address, click the pencil icon. This is where you choose the permission level for the file. Depending on what you want, you can allow the person to edit the file or just view it. If you only want them to read the document and not make any changes, choose View Only Access. If you're collaborating and want them to contribute, editing access may be the better option. Choosing the right permission is important because it controls how the file can be used once it's shared. When everything looks correct, click Send. OneDrive will then share the file with the recipient using the email address you entered. They'll receive a link that gives them access based on the permissions you selected, and that's all it takes to share a OneDrive file with others. As a final tip, it's a good idea to review permissions carefully before sending, just to make sure each person has the right level of access. That helps keep your file secure while still making collaboration easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.